Baby doll love, welcome to my nursery today. It's Theme Thursday, and today's theme is birds and anything that flies. So come on into my nursery. I've got a couple of babies I'm going to share with you today. The first baby I have is my sweet Lorelei, and she's lying on a blanket that has butterflies. And she's wearing a cute little dress that has butterflies and it says pretty little thing. And she's got her little owl Lovey. And she's wearing a pretty peachy pink sparkly hair bow. And that matches the pink in her dress. There's like a tulle material here. It's a peachy pink, and then I matched it with shoe socks in a peach and black, and she's just looking really, really sweet today, my Lorelei. Oh yeah, and she's wearing a bracelet that has a little butterfly on it, so she's looking super cute, my Lorelei, for Theme Thursday. And here we have sweet little Charlotte Ann, and she's wearing a cute little onesie that has birds on it. So I matched it with purple pants, and she's got little pink sock shoes on, and she's got a pretty sparkly purple headband, and she's got her cute little bird Lovey that she's snuggling with. And she's just looking really, really pretty today in her bird outfit. And here we have my precious Dariella Lenore, and she is wearing a long sleeve onesie that has swans on it, and swans can fly, and the swans are wearing sparkly crowns. So I put on a sparkly pink crown headband, and she's holding a butterfly. And then I matched her onesie with pink striped pants, and she's got these are little sweet princess socks. They have a little crown there too. So Dariella Lenore is looking really, really sweet today with her butterfly. And here is my Tallulah. She is wearing a cute dress. It has a little butterfly, and the butterfly is mauve. So I put some mauve frilly socks on, and she's got a pretty mauve headband on, and she's also got a bracelet with the little butterfly, and she is playing with, oops, this is the Tooth Fairy. That's the Tooth Fairy, and we all know fairies can fly. There are the wings. So she is having fun with her little Tooth Fairy today. And I wanted to mention to Susie Q from Little Happy Haven Nursery, I know you just got Amelia, and she is a crawler. And so is my Tallulah. This is the Lily Marlene sculpt, and she is full vinyl. So it's really nice, as you can see. You can put on outfits, and you don't always have to put onesies underneath. And so she has a full torso that's vinyl. And I actually got her as a pre-loved baby from Canada. So I just adore my Lily Marlene sculpt. because you can pose her, and it's a lot of fun. Anyways, I just wanted to mention that to Susie Q, because you were asking me about my crawler, Lily Marlene sculpt. Well, that's it, guys. I hope everyone has a great day and a lovely weekend, and I just want to say thanks to all my subscribers and friends who watch my channel, and welcome to any new subscribers that are joining my channel. Take care, everyone. Bye from Baby Doll Love. Bye-bye.